Welcome to today's video. We're going to look at how to fix this GeForce Experience code error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm going to show you 3 different methods to fix it, so please stay tuned. Let's look at method 1. First, go to search, type in device manager, open it, expand the display adapter section until you find your graphics card. Right click on that and click update driver, and then click search automatically for drivers. After it's done, close the window and see if it fixed the problem. If not, let's move on to method 2. Method 2, go to search menu, type services, click to open it. In services, search for Nvidia services. So services such as these, there should be a couple at least. Double click each one and set the service status to automatic. Service type here to automatic. If it's not running, click start and click OK. And continue that for every one. Then apply the changes after you're done. And then next, go to the search menu, type system configuration, select services, check the box for hide all Microsoft services, and make sure to check Nvidia services such as Nvidia Framework SDK, and other Nvidia services, Nvidia local system container, etc, etc, etc. Hit the changes and hit OK. After that, go to the search menu, type run, and run it. Type in local app data as shown here, hit OK. Open the Nvidia Corporation folder. Go to the GeForce Experience folder. I don't have it here because I personally don't have GeForce Experience installed on this computer. But right click on it on the cache folder and hit delete. And then after you've done that, we're going to reinstall the GeForce Experience. To do that, go to the search menu, type GeForce Experience. I don't have it installed, but it should come up here. Right click on it and select uninstall. After you're done uninstalling, go to Chrome, search for Nvidia GeForce Experience, and download it once again from the official site. Install it and check if the problem is resolved. That's it. If it didn't resolve your problem, please leave a comment on the video and I will try my best to troubleshoot it for you.